Hey guys, welcome back. Haven't been able to find any more English 151, but I did find these Japanese ones at my local card shop. Never actually opened these before, so let's get to it. Okay, so we got Tangela, Chop, Seal. Oh man, never noticed that. I don't know if the English ones have, but these Pokeballs in here look really cool. Growler and Hypno. And the last one was it Mankey? Yeah, but the Growler balls in there look really cool. I've never seen that before. Maybe it's just only for the Japanese ones. Maybe to look into these the set more. It's the Japanese version. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh man, that's cool. Found the Growlithe. Marowak. And oh. I really like the Pokeballs in there. That's really cool. Alright guys. Thanks for joining. If you guys can like and subscribe, appreciate you guys. Thanks.